Decor Designs, the place for transforming your house into a dream home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we talk about backyard patio pavers, we are referring to the intentional use of individual stones, bricks, or concrete tiles to create a durable, level, and aesthetically pleasing flooring for your outdoor space. Unlike a solid poured concrete slab, pavers are interlocking units that allow for flexibility, drainage, and a wide variety of patterns. In the context of Homes Decor Designs, a paver patio is more than just a surface. It is the foundation of an outdoor room. It defines the boundary of your living area, transitioning the home's interior comfort to the beauty of the natural world outside. Choosing pavers over other materials offers a multitude of functional and financial advantages for any homeowner. One of the primary benefits is durability. Because pavers are individual units, they can shift slightly with the movement of the earth or temperature changes without cracking like a solid concrete slab would. This makes them incredibly long-lasting and easy to repair, as you can replace a single stone if it becomes stained or damaged. Additionally, pavers significantly increase your property's value and curb appeal by providing a high-end finished look that buyers love. Beyond the technical aspects, a paver patio provides a clean, mud-free environment that encourages your family to spend more time outdoors, improving your overall well-being and providing the perfect stage for hosting summer barbecues or quiet morning coffees. To make your paver patio truly shine, you need to think about layers and textures that complement the stonework. Start by defining functional zones using outdoor rugs, which add a pop of color and a soft feel underfoot, making the area feel like a true extension of your living room. Incorporate plenty of greenery by using oversized planters of varying heights. This softens the hard lines of the stone and integrates the patio with the surrounding garden. Lighting is another crucial element. Stringing Edison bulbs overhead or installing low-voltage LED lights along the perimeter creates a magical ambience after the sun goes down. Finally, don't be afraid to use textiles like weather-resistant throw pillows and cozy blankets on your seating to add warmth and a sense of luxury that invites guests to linger. Selecting the right items to occupy your patio is what turns a construction project into a lifestyle destination. High-quality, weather-resistant sectional sofas or deep-seated armchairs are essential for comfort, while a central focal point like a fire pit table or a sleek coffee table provides a gathering spot for friends and family. For those who love to entertain, a built-in or portable outdoor kitchen station with a grill and prep area is a game-changer. Additionally, consider adding a pergola or a high-end cantilever umbrella to provide necessary shade during the heat of the day. Small touches like a water feature for soothing sound, a set of Bluetooth outdoor speakers, and stylish serving carts can elevate the functionality of the space, ensuring it is as practical as it is beautiful. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best backyard patio paver ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the ultra-modern geometric grid. This design features oversized, pristine white rectangular pavers separated by lush, manicured grass inserts. The sharp contrast between the bright stone and the green turf creates a striking contemporary look that perfectly complements a luxury poolside setting. It's a minimalist approach that feels incredibly high-end and spacious. 2. The natural woodland retreat. Utilizing earthy, multi-toned flagstone pavers, this patio winds around a mature tree, making the landscape feel established and organic. The irregular shapes and warm hues of the stone blend seamlessly with the surrounding garden beds, creating a cozy, shaded sanctuary that feels like a private escape from the world. 3. The integrated outdoor kitchen and lounge. This layout uses gray-toned pavers to create a massive, multifunctional footprint. It features a dedicated grilling station with a stone-clad bar and a sheltered dining area under a white pergola. This is the ultimate host's dream, providing separate zones for cooking, dining, and relaxing all on one cohesive surface. For the sunken fire pit sanctuary, highlighting a clever use of levels, this idea features a flat paver patio that transitions into a built-in sunken stone fire pit. The use of matching stone for both the flooring and the retaining walls creates a seamless architectural look, while the wicker furniture provides a comfortable spot to enjoy the open sky. 5. The circular social hub. This design uses pavers laid in a sophisticated circular pattern to draw the eye toward a central fire table. By mimicking the curves of the surrounding landscape and lawn, this patio feels soft and inviting. It is an excellent example of how pavers can be used to create specific destinations within a larger backyard. 6. The Grand Mediterranean Courtyard. Featuring a massive circular paver motif and a high-set stone fireplace, this patio feels like a luxury resort. The wide open space is perfect for large gatherings, while the wraparound stone seating walls provide plenty of room for guests. The gray and charcoal tones give it a timeless, stately appearance. 7. The Cozy Bricktone Gathering Spot. This traditional approach uses warm, tan, and brown pavers to create a welcoming atmosphere. The circular fire pit serves as the heart of the design, surrounded by a low stone wall that doubles as extra seating. It's a classic look that works beautifully for suburban homes looking for a rustic yet polished vibe. 8. The Serpentine Path and Dining Deck. In this creative layout, a gray cobblestone-style patio follows a beautiful S-curve, bordered by golden gravel. This leads to a distinct dining area and a separate lounge zone further in the back. The winding shape breaks up the monotony of a flat yard and adds a sense of movement and discovery to the landscape. 9. The Urban Slate Bistro Patio. Perfect for smaller spaces, this design uses large-format slate pavers in varied gray tones to create a clean, sophisticated floor. A simple umbrella-covered bistro set and a few well-placed rocking chairs turn this corner of the yard into a functional and stylish breakfast nook or reading area. 10. The Lush Secret Garden Living Room. This design maximizes greenery by surrounding a small, gray paver patio with dense vertical plantings and tall privacy hedges. The bright lime green cushions on the sectional sofa pop against the gray stone, creating a vibrant, energetic space that feels completely secluded from the neighbors. Creating the perfect backyard patio is a journey of blending your personal style with the practical needs of your home. Whether you prefer the sleek lines of modern geometry or the rustic charm of a circular fire pit, pavers provide the versatility to bring any vision to life. By investing in quality materials and thoughtful decoration, you aren't just paving a yard. You are building a backdrop for years of memories, laughter, and relaxation. We hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and helped you see the incredible potential waiting just outside your back door. If you found these patio inspirations helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly home improvement tips. We want to hear from you. Which of the top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a transformation, and we'll see you in the next video. you.